there, welcome to DollMotion! After the creepy Krampus repaint video, I thought it's time for some cuteness. And what better to repaint than a Licca doll? Licca dolls were first released in 1967 in Japan and are still being made to this day. In Japan, they are more popular than Barbie dolls. And they say that close to 100% of Japanese girls have an experience playing with Licca dolls. Licca is also one of the leading icons of the so-called Kawaii or cuteness culture in Japan. The dolls are made by Takara Tomy. They also make the Jenny doll and Monster Collection Pokemon figures. Fun fact, there's a Spanish Licca doll with the same head mold called Chapel dolls. One big difference being their eyes. They look to a different side. For this repaint, I want my Licca doll to be cute and Lolita-like. One thing came directly to mind: Alice in Wonderland. For this repaint, I will be using this Licca doll. I bought it on eBay some time ago. I love her outfit, but her hair is dry and in bad shape, so we got a volunteer. Although taking off monster hi-hats can be a pain, Licca hats can pop right off. With scissors, I cut off her hair as close to her skull as possible. And with tweezers, I go through her neck hole and take out the remaining hairs. To take off her factory paints, I use nail polish remover with acetone. Just rub it right off. I wash the face after with warm soapy water. For our hair, I'll be using this all-glow saran hair. When you take it out of the packaging, it comes in this long loop. First, I measure how long I want her hair to be, then I cut it in 2 parts. Time for her reroot. For my reroot tool, I use a needle cut on an angle. I take a lock of hair, bind it around my finger and slide it on the needle. And plug the hairs in the pre-made holes in her head. This I do, well, many times. To secure the loose plugs, I use fabric tack glue. I just squeeze the glue through the neck hole. I give the glue some time to dry before I prep her for the repaint. When the head is fully prepped, I stick her on a wooden clay tool. This makes it easier for me to spray the doll with Mr. Super Clear. I begin her face by sketching in her eyes with a light colored pencil. I want her to have big, oversized, cute eyes. I actually repainted a Licca before on this channel. Although red has only a Licca head and an Obitso body. After sketching, I fill in her eyes with acrylic paint. I start with a darker color, after that a medium blue, and finishing it with a lighter blue. This gives it a more of a gradient. At this point, I would like to bring in a new feature. I will take a random question from the comment section and answer it here in the video. The most asked question would be if I'm Dutch or live in the Netherlands. Well, the best way to answer it is: ja, ik ben een Nederlander en ik woon in Nederland. Well, leave a question and maybe I will answer it in the next episode. Continuing to repaint, I gave her brown eyelashes to make her face more youthful. Finishing her face with some eyeshines and blush on her cheeks. To secure the face up, I spray again the face with Mr. Soupy Clear. After 30 minutes of drying, it's time to give her some shine in our eyes and on our lips with a high gloss varnish. I let our head decide for now and work on her clothes. I used an existing Licca pattern from a Japanese magazine. It looked very complex, but I managed to get the dress right. I also followed the pattern and made her an apron. Putting everything together, for our shoes, I'll be using these Licca shoes I got from a shoe pack. For my white stretchy fabric, I made her pantyhose. Time to style her hair. I comb her hair so she has a neat part. I hold the hairs in place with an elastic band and pour hot water over it. Letting it dry and a final style, and she's done. But I don't want to go among mad people. Oh, you can't help that. Most everyone's mad here. Mad he definitely is. All cutesy and Lolita, Alice can join our Licca friends again. Would you like to see more vintage doll repaints? Let me know in the comments. And like always, like if you liked it and sub if you loved it. See you in the next video. Bye!